you guys, welcome back for Vlogmas Day 4. And today we are cleaning up the playroom slash man cave and getting it ready for Christmas decorations. I only added a couple, but I was just getting it ready for the decorations. So right here I got my little guy helping me clean up because he made a bit of a mess in his playroom. And I'm just like organizing the bookshelves. He doesn't help for long and then he starts playing and jumping on the trampoline, but he tried. Alright, so these are the things I used to make my ornaments. They were just like a 1D ornament, just the flat ones. So I used this X-Acto knife type of thing from the dollar store, which had a little point. It just has like a little point on it. And then it came with different blades too. I just got it at the Dollar Tree. Pair of scissors, the little hooks for the ornaments, some glue, construction paper, and then my printouts are right there. And that's all you need. So at the 99-cent store, I found like little tiny toys that I could use as ornaments. So I used those as ornaments, and I just took the little ornament holder and just wrapped it around it. And then pretty much for making the ornaments, I do the basics, cut them out, glue them down to a paper, and then I just poke a little hole in the top part with the X-Acto knife with the little point, and I just put the little hook through those as well. So simple. Okay, so the whole family's in the room because we were going to just decorate the tree, but we ran into a little bit of difficulties because that tree, the lights didn't work on it, so I had to swap it out, and we decided just to do a separate video with us just decorating the tree as a family. So that will be part 2 for tomorrow. Okay, so here's our final outcome. Or not, except the tree, because we're gonna decorate the tree tomorrow. But I just put up some decorations of Woody and the gang over there. And then right here, I just have to add Madarian's stocking. It's drying still from me putting his name on it. And then my ring light, and then the speaker. That usually isn't in here because I was just using it for filming. But it looks pretty clean, and then I just added that. The garland, just like some decorations. My son's already been playing with it. He's already been messing with it. And then down there, that's the stuff we're gonna put on the tree tomorrow. So this is the tree. I haven't done vlogging it, I believe it's called. But yeah, we're gonna decorate the tree tomorrow, so stay tuned.